YouTube, how you doing? My name is Evan and welcome to another video from No Comfort Zones. In today's video, I want to recap what I have learned over these past 7 days. There's been some good, there's been some bad, there's definitely been some things that I've been surprised about, and today we're going to go and recap the last 7 days. The number one thing that I learned over these past 7 days is just how difficult and time-consuming making videos and posting them to YouTube actually is. I don't think people give, people that do this for a living or YouTubers enough credit, because there's a lot more work than people think that there is. It's not just making a video and posting it right to YouTube. I mean, if you make it on your iPhone, I guess maybe it's a little bit easier, but I'm trying to use the most expensive camera that I have. I've downloaded some software. I'm trying to put background music. I do a little bit of editing, and I didn't realize until these 7 days how time-consuming and difficult it is. For example, one of the days I actually edited and spent probably a good hour, 2 hours editing a couple of videos, 2 videos, and then my software crashed my computer. I thought I had it saved, I didn't. I lost everything. I had to start completely from scratch. That was horrible. So I've learned my lesson there. I guess I need to really do a better job of saving it, but I don't know. I think I went into it thinking it's more of like, you take a video, you spend a little bit of time editing, and then you post them to the world. Not the case. A lot more difficult than I thought, a lot more time consuming than I thought. And so that's probably my number one thing that I learned over the past 7 days is it's a lot harder. And the second thing that I learned from these 7 days of shooting videos every single day is how ill-equipped I am to do this over a long period of time. For 7 straight days, I can barrel through, I can get it done, but if I wanted to do this for a long period of time, over weeks and weeks and months, there's no way. I'm so ill-equipped. My equipment is horrible. My computer can't handle anything. It couldn't handle the software that I had. It crashed a couple of times. Can't even really handle the amount of videos that I have stored on there. It's been running extremely slow. The upload time to YouTube was a lot slower than I thought. It's like taking like 45 minutes to upload, a video on YouTube. My camera that I have is okay, but not really great for shooting a lot of videos. It's more of a camera to shoot pictures, not video. The lighting's all weird. I have no sound quality control, no mic, no background, obviously. And the main thing is, I just suck at this. I'm not very good at talking into the camera. I don't know what to say. I don't even know the layout of how a video should work, or a script, or anything. And unfortunately, I didn't realize how shitty I am at actually talking into a camera. It's amazing when you turn the lights on, turn on the camera, and it's impossible to even create a coherent sentence. So that's something that I'll definitely have to improve on, but I realized, that's the second thing that I realized, is how ill-equipped I am as far as my equipment and me personally on making videos on a consistent basis. I am really excited that I got through this challenge though. 7 days, when I started this journey, I kind of looked at this as a monumental task. Doing 7 straight days of videos every single day. I was like, what am I going to talk about? How am I going to do this? I felt very in over my head, and I'm really glad that I'm at the end of this challenge now, and I can look back at all the things that I've learned over these past 7 days. It's something that I can definitely be proud of, and it gives me a lot of positive momentum as I move forward. This is what I want this channel to be all about, is me giving myself challenges that initially seem really tough, and for me to record myself getting over these challenges and giving feedback on what I've learned. So I've definitely learned a lot. I think one of the main things that I've really gotten better at is talking into the camera, which is still very awkward, obviously, for me, but I think I've definitely gotten better over the past 7 days. I think that'll continue to improve. And I think just talking to a camera can also improves my public speaking, which is something that I want to get better at as well. So this is good practice for me to talk into the camera, work on my public speaking, see how I look on camera. And I think this challenge, getting through this challenge, has given me a lot of positive momentum as this channel starts up, and it really makes me want to start some other challenges for myself and help keep myself accountable. So I'm excited. I did it. I'm getting this posted as soon as I can. I got some other videos that I haven't even posted yet either. Didn't quite get through every single day making a video and posting them, but I did record a video every single day. So I'm really proud about that. And now I just got to think of another challenge that I want for myself and try to accomplish it. All right, and that's it for this video. I'm excited to get this challenge done with. I'm gonna have to come up with a whole new challenge for myself starting soon, but that's it for this video. That's it for this challenge. 7 days in the books. Hopefully I have not an intro at the end, but an outro at the end coming up soon. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get that done, but that's the goal for myself right now, is to get an outro at the end of this video. And I'm probably gonna take a couple days off. I'm going home for the 4th. I'm gonna be out of town for about a week, so I'm not gonna be close to my computer. So probably no videos for a while, but when I get back, I'm gonna get back on that grind. So, all right, thank you. This has been Zevin, No Comfort Zones, and outro. 3, 2,